Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to delete safe places on TripAdvisor. I wonder why you want to know how to delete safe places on TripAdvisor. Maybe because you saved the places to visit and now you have visited them so you want to delete. Or maybe you accidentally added any of the places into the saved list so now you want to delete it. Or maybe you just have changed your mind, now you don't need to visit that place. Or there could be any other reason for you to delete any saved places on TripAdvisor. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First we have to make sure that you have already installed the TripAdvisor app, and if you have not installed it yet then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you also have created your account and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the TripAdvisor app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have some options at the top of the screen and some options at the bottom as well. And into the middle of the screen, you will find the different places that you could visit, stay, or maybe if they are restaurant, then you can go and enjoy the meal there. Now if you want to delete safe spaces, make sure you have first saved them into the list. So in this video, first we will save different places and we'll see how we can delete them. Therefore, go to the explore section and explore different places, or maybe you can go to the search section and search for different places. And whenever you find a place that you want to save, just save it and then we will see how we can delete it. So here I'm just exploring some places, and once I find a place like this, I just simply click onto it. It will just take a while, and once it's done with its loading, you will see the place. You could see its place like pictures and other things. And if you want to save it, just simply click on this heart icon and it will be saved in a list. So as we have just saved this place, now what we have to do is that we have to see how we could delete it. It will also indicate you at the bottom that this place has been saved. Likewise, we will click onto this image, or you could say place, and once we get here we will again click onto this heart icon and then we will add it into a saved list. Once these places get added, now we will see how we can delete it. So here we have to go to this heart icon which is at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on it, you will see this option. Now here what we have to do is that you have to click on this save option. Once you click here, you will find the places that you have saved. So now if you want to delete them, what else you have to do is that you just have to simply click on it and then you again have to click on that heart option. Once you click onto that heart option, it will immediately gets removed from your saved places. Now you have to get back and there you will see the place just got removed. Likewise, we will do the same to this place and that place will also get removed from the saved list. And here you can see our saved list is empty. That means all the saved places has been deleted. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can delete saved places on TripAdvisor. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.